G'day, Kenny Mayne here again with lesson 6. Now if you remember last lesson, the buzzer went off. We were talking about Botany Bay and being a traditional song and all that, and we asked you to practice 3 chords because we're doing 3-chorded songs now, and the 3-chorded songs are, it's in the key of C, so we're using the 1st, the 4th and the 5th of the scale, and that gives us C, F and G7. So they're the 3 chords we do, and what you've got to do is you should be able to play C, F and G7 by now. So if you can play those 3 chords we can progress further on. So we're not going to dwell on this song, but it's you can look it up on, I think the Seekers actually did it and a few others did it, so it's a song you could do. I don't know what key they did it in, but anyway, it's in the key of C, and what happens is when we learn a song and you want to learn a song, the thing to do then is write the song out, the chords out, in lots of 4. So in other words, you write 4 bars, then you go below another 4 bars, another 4 bars, another 4 bars. So you end up with, because most tunes are either 2 bar, 4 bar, 8 bar, 12 bar or 16 bar tune, sometimes even 32. But the thing is, then what happens is, if it's an 8 bar tune, after 8 bars it just repeats and so on, as we did with Rock My Soul and Whole World in His Hands. This one actually is a 16 bar tune. Now I've written it here, and another thing about this song is it's 3/4 times. So that means it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what it means is the pulse is the first beat. So you get this sort of, and that gives you the sort of, it's a waltz time anyway. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do this song because it's in waltz time, but you can do it yeah, in the key of C. So now just got to make sure I sing in tune on this bugger. Now okay, so it goes as you can see over here, I've written the thing out as I explained. This is our repeat sign just here. So when we see this sign coming back the other way, it means we've got to go back to this point, and we go down here, there it is, so it tells you to go back. And as you can see, I explained that you write the first 4 bars, the second 4 bars, third and the 4th and the 16 bars. This little sign here means repeat the bar before, so rather than write C, C, you write C with that sign, and that makes the music more legible or easier for the eye to pick up. Okay, so now and as you can see up here at the start, it's got pickup notes. So those 2 notes there, that's 1 beat, and if you go down to the last bar here, that's a 2-beat bar. So 1, 2, 3, and that's how it works. So anyway, this is a song. I'm going to sing the song for you, but I'm not going to do the whole song. I'll just do the first bar and the chorus to give you an idea of the song, then you can look it up. And so here we go. Farewell to old England forever. Farewell to me old pals as well. Farewell to the well-known Old Bailey, where I used to cut such a swell. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. Where the bound for Botany Bay, there's the captain and his out commander. There's a boatswain and all our ship's crew. There's a first and a second-class passenger. Go what we call convicts to the crew. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. Singing to-ra-lie, ra-lie-a-gee. When the bound for Botany Bay. Okay, so it wasn't too bad. A little bit off here and there, but I'm getting old, you've got to allow that for me. Anyway, that gives you the idea of the song, okay? So, you know, someone said to me, I sing like an old pirate, but then again, probably sometimes I do. But anyway, that's how it's done. So learn the song, look it up, as I say, It's a folk song. A lot you can find on a lot of folk albums, Australian folk albums. Look it up on the internet or wherever, and you can find out how the tune goes, or you might even have the song in your repertoire. Alright, so that's Botany Bay, and as you see, when I slowed down, I did a sort of slow finish. So I'd say, I'll just do the last line. Where are you to cut such a swell? And it's just another way of finishing, okay? Alright, we're going to move on now. We're going to go into the technical side again. Oh, by the way, one more thing before we go. Here, I've written the rhythm. As you can see, the rhythm here. And the first beat is the longer arrow, so you give it more. That's the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the rhythm you do. And I'd used a bit of up and down stroke, as you might have heard or seen. But you can do it. You can do it like. Do the first bit before you give you an idea. It goes, farewell to old England forever, farewell to me old pals as well. And that's give you an idea how to do just downstroke if you want to do downstroke, okay? Alright, I'm going to move along. I'm going to put this guitar down for a sec, hold a second, and we're going to teach you now how music works. And music is a music alphabet. A music alphabet is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. No, it doesn't go past G. It's A. As soon as it gets to G, it goes back to A. So if you remember that, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now, with the music alphabet, in the key of C, we must always keep E and F and B and C together. And if you count it up on the scale, it's the 3rd and 4th and the 7th and 8th of that scale are always together. Okay, we're going to move on to the next sheet. Excuse me for a sec. Okay, this is the C scale. This is actually, this part here is actually the fretboard, okay? I've highlighted this line here because that's the nut. So, and O means open string. So as we know, we got E, A, D, G, B, E. The word Edgeby, or everybody goes driving at Easter. Now, you can see I've got a green line here and a green line here. Now the green line, this is the 12th fret. And as I told you before, when you get to here, you must, these notes here, so all these notes here, you could write them. It's E, B, G, D, A, E. They're the same as this, because once you get to the 12th fret, the guitar repeats. Okay, so looking at this, as you can see, I've done this line here for you. Now A, B, C together, D, E, F together, G, A. And as you can see, every time you come here, I'll go up the top here, E and F and B and C are always together. Or 3 and 4 and 7 and 8 are together. Now up the top here we have what we call a sort of a piano, because if you were to play a piano, E and F and B and C are always together. So this one here would be B and C. And that's, if you look at a piano keyboard, it's 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, 3 black keys, all the way through. Now these black keys here, or on the piano, they're what we call flats and sharps. But we're not going to bother with those today because, or at the moment, because it'll only confuse the issue. So we're going to start once again. Now if we do the next string, let's say we do the B string. Now from B, C together, then we jump a fret, D, then we jump a fret, E, then F is together, then we jump a fret, A, then B here and C, okay? I should have went to G, so I'll do that again for you. So B, C, D, then we jump a fret to E, F, From F to G, which you jump a fret. From G to A, we jump a fret up to B, and then if we went one more, it would be C on the 13th fret. So what I want you to do with this thing here is, I'd like you to draw out this thing and write all the notes in. Now, most guitar books, when they do when you learn a guitar, for some reason, they start on this string, mainly because it's easier, you don't have to stretch. But E, F, G, B, C, D, and people don't realise that it's an alphabetical thing. But if you start from the 3rd string, it goes G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, and if we start from the 6th string, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And as you can see, once again, B and C and E and F are always together. Once again, E and F, B and C, E and F, E and F, B and C, E and F. So fill out the whole thing so it makes sense. Remembering one tone, is 2 frets apart. One tone, a semitone is 1 fret apart. And you know from up here, you can see tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Now if you took out this tone here, you took that one out, it will be tone, tone, semitone by 2, and whack a semitone in the middle, and that's a major scale. Okay? So, understanding that there, that's how you do the strings. Okay? So we're going to go, look, we'll just go through it once on the guitar, just so I can show you how it works. So, we're going to start on the E string. So we've got E, F. Then we jump a fret to G, jump a fret to A, B, one more to C, D, E and F together. And once again, when I'm on the E there, I'm on the 12th fret. And on the 12th fret, it's the same, it's an octave higher. Now each string is an octave, okay? So then we do the next one. Next one's easy because we know we only have 7 notes in music from A to G. And we're starting on A, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. Once the next one is D, so we start on D, D, E and F together, G, A, B, C together and back to D, and we're on the 12th fret once again. The next string is G. So G, A, B, C together, D, E, F together, G. And the next one is B, so we go B, C. They're together, sorry, B, C together, D, E, F together, G, A, B, C. And then once again, on the B note, we're on the 12th fret, it's the same as that one there, an octave above. And then the last string is E, F together, G, A, B, C together, D, E, F together. And that's, now if you look, that and the 2 E strings they're exactly the same. So what happens is, you can learn the scale and you can play the scale. When you learn that scale like E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, well then you can practice it, okay, over and over again. Okay, so that's all it is for this lesson. I want you to learn the fingerboard as I've just showed you, and we'll catch you in the next lesson. Thanks. Hooroo.